Hello everyone, class 2, how are you? Today I am going to teach you uses of computer. In this chapter we will talk about that where we use computer, because computer is a machine you have already learned in your previous chapter. This machine we use in different places and it is very useful machine. Without this we cannot do any work in offices, malls and many other places. Hello kids, due to many special features, the computer are being used almost everywhere. Let us learn about the uses of computer at different places. Computer are used at home, school, hospitals, railway stations, airports, shops, offices, banks and at many other places. Where we see computer, where we see computer in different places like hotel, schools, bank, railway station, airport, offices, shops. We see computer there, and it is very helpful for different work. First is at home. It help you in doing homework. Computer help you for doing homework also. If you want to do paint, you can do paint uh, and computer. And you can listen to music. If you feel bored, you can listen music on computer and watch movies at home on computer. You can watch any movies on computer also. Okay. And at railway station and an airport, it is used for keeping records of arrival and departure of trains at railway station and flight and airport. Computer keeps records of the departure and arrival of trains or flights or bus. Okay. And it is used at control tower to guide aeroplane to land and take off. It is also control tower room also to flight and take off or land and take off of any planes. It is used for reservation and cancellation of ticket. It is useful for cancellation and reservation. We can reserve any ticket of, and we can book any place. Okay. At the shopping malls and hotels, it is used in hotels to maintain records of their guests and booking made by them. If we go any different city, we can book tickets in advance, and computer maintain these records. It is also used to check stock and price of different item in shopping malls. When we go different malls, we see there different items are there, and computer keep record all these stocks and prices of these items. It is used by shopkeeper and by billing clerk at mall to prepare bills for their customers. And when we see the billing also, for billing computer is also used there. And smart classes are becoming popular and common in school. Smart class practice computer aided education, which made learning more interactive. We see smart class in our school is also going. We use computer for smart class, and at schools students learn to work on the computer in the computer lab. Student work in computer lab also. It is also used to keep record of fees of all the student. Your accountant maintain the record of fees which is paid by you in different months. They keep record of these. It help teacher to prepare the report card of all the student. Teacher also using computer for keeping the record of your marks. And computer are used in library for keeping records of work. there is different kinds of book in library, then teacher use computer for keeping the books record also. Now at hospitals, a computer keeps record of all the patients. It also help in all kind of medical tests and in making hospital bill. We use computer for making bills also and medical test also. It is used for preparing medical reports of patients and storing their medical data, and it store medical data, patients medical data, and preparing medical report also. At offices, it is used for typing and printing of documents. It is used for keeping office records such as that of their employees' salaries and accounts. It is used for sending and receiving emails and other important documents. In offices, computer keeps records of employees and their salaries and their accounts and their holidays, and it is also used for making documents in emails. And at bank, it is used in order to withdraw money from ATM. It is used for keeping track of all the customers, members and their own staff. In bank, we it is used in order to withdraw money. It maintain the record of when we withdraw money, and it is keeping record of the customer and members of the employees and of the bank also. Here is the uses of computer. Computer is used in different places. It is used in other places also. The computer is used by aviation industry to teach its student about how to fly an aeroplane. It is used in aviation industries also to how to fly aeroplane, and it is used by scientists for space research. It guide and control rocket and satellite launcher also. The computer is used in designing clothes, cars, buildings, making films, animation, etc. The computer is very useful tool for learning different languages, typing, cooking and other skills. Computer is very useful. It is used in different places also. In aviation industries, and scientists also use this computer for research center, and we can use computer for designing of clothes and cars and building and animation films also. And it is very useful for learning different languages also, for typing also, cooking and other skills. Now you understood that computer is very helpful for different ways in different field also. It's make our work very easy. Okay, it keeps records also. Now this chapter is now completed. You have to do exercises of these questions in your book, and you have to write question answers in your notebook also. You have to do question answers only in your book, and do some hard words of this chapter. Firstly, you have to write some hard words of this chapter. Okay. Now your chapter is completed here. Okay, and bye and take care all of you.